Hello.
Hi guys, happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Welcome to our mobile marketing meeting.
Yes, we have solutions that are going to blow you away, and we have one today that we're going to share with you. No matter what kind of business that you're in, especially if you're in the people business. So I think we should just kind of go.
Yeah, jump right in.
Jump right in.
All right. Well, our tool today it's a connection card or a communication card. There's different names for them. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And just jump right in and teach you guys how to build one of these cards. All right, so what we're going to do first is hit create card. And then the first thing that we want to do is sorry, it's a little slow on the Wi-Fi. That's Stephanie's fault.
That's my fault. Sorry, guys.
It's okay, Stephanie, we forgive you. Okay, select this template. So we're going to pick this one.
All kinds of different templates you can choose from.
Right, this one's just a really easy, basic one that we think works really well for this particular card that we want to make. Okay, so now we have our logo and the picture that we want to add and the other information. So we can now choose a color button. See how the name here is in this blue color. So should we try to choose a
black I thought looked good.
Black? Okay, yeah, let's just choose black for now. And now we're going to go to the next tab, which is the information tag. And I do not want to put in my profile info. Well, actually,
yeah, I think you can now.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's just double check that. Make it really quick.
Put in our check, make sure that yes, my address
it's not there because
yes. Yeah. All right. So the card title now will be
Hempsmart Brain.
Hempsmart.
Which we just got a new patent on, by the way. Very excited about that.
We did. It's an amazing product. I have a son who has some learning disabilities, and he's taken the brain, and it's actually, he came home from school. I didn't tell him what it was. He came home from school and said, Mom, I could think better today.
See, you didn't even tell me that story.
Yeah, I did. It's pretty amazing.
I have story after story also.
All right, so there's all the information.
One quick thing, you might want to add your user, go up.
Oh, you're right.
Your
company name is
what I was talking about.
Hemp. And then my job title is associate, right? Or no, affiliate.
No, associate.
Associate.
But also you might want to go up a little bit and put in your Facebook username so that people can.
Very good idea.
Not there. Right up here.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Oops, my Facebook Messenger box.
Yeah, no, you don't want that.
I don't want that. And isn't it me-Hemp?
Okay.
Okay, now, next thing that we want to do is put in a little bit of information. We're going to be changing that picture because it just put in the picture that I had there.
Yeah.
So we are going to go to the Hempsmart Brain page. We already had this queued up. Oops, I thought we did.
Yeah, it's okay. We go back.
Oh, yeah, we were on the blog reading all about the brain. It's really remarkable.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to go back to Shop Now. And then we are going to go down to the brain product. So it comes up here, which is right there.
Yeah. And
then we're just going to simply copy and paste. So we're going to copy some information about the brain product that we feel is kind of important for people to know when we're giving them this card.
Paste it right in.
And just paste it right in. And then the other thing that you can do that's kind of cool is you highlight like maybe your first heading there, and it will actually, and it didn't do it. Oh, heading 2, there we go. And we're going to center that. So it's a little bit more bold and a little bigger than the rest of it.
Yep.
All right.
You can even bold it more, I think.
Oh yeah, I could actually put the bold on.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Okay, so now we
see how the card is building out right in front of your eyes.
It is.
So it's pretty cool.
So next, we have all our information here. Please just double check.
Do you want to add the
No.
What? You want to go ahead and go up a little bit.
That's it.
Won't go up or down. Sorry. I mean, yeah. Go to the chat and have it floating. Okay. And so what that means is if somebody wants to talk to you immediately and has a question right away, they can text. It's how
like a chat. Yeah, like a WhatsApp kind of thing.
Exactly.
Okay. So the next one, we're going to change the photo.
You've already downloaded it, right?
We did I designed a photo before we started. which talks about what the brain product does. It's pretty cool. Then we're going to go to our logo, and we're going to insert a new logo. Oops.
No, yeah. It was closer to the bottom.
Yeah, it was close to the bottom. That's right. And there it is.
Looking good.
Yes, it is. Look at that there. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
All right. Next, we're going to put our social information in here. So I'm going to put in my heap of hemp information.
So if you have Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google+, Pint, all of them, every single one that you have, a new button will pop up. That'll go directly
I'm just going to do
towards yours.
These two right now because it's the easiest way to go. Okay. Now we're going to put in a really cool video by Paula Vetter.
Paula Vetter.
Once you listen to this video, you're going to want to buy this stuff. Like
she is. She's on the medical advisory board of the company, and she actually she knows her stuff.
She really does.
She's amazing.
Really have to hear this.
It would be in Vimeo right there.
Vimeo, thank you. All right, we're going to pick the
brain one.
Brain one, this one right here.
Yep.
So then we go here. We're going to stop the video because it's going to start playing.
Just make sure you copy and paste the link.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I just don't want it to start playing. Well, it's.
We'll just stop it when it does.
There we go.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying, Cindy Heap.
All righty. Alrighty then. Okay. Oh, is it playing? Oh, that's playing. We have to stop. There. Or is that playing? I don't know.
Well, hopefully that
There works. We go. Okay. Now, there's oops, not there. To the link. And the title is Paula Vetter on Brain. Okay.
And then show everybody the card where the video looks. Go ahead and move the card up. And look at that. Keep going.
Really cool, isn't it?
There it is, right there.
All done.
It gets right
ready for you to forward to one of your people.
No, not yet. One more thing. Go to the very bottom of the card.
Oh, you're right.
And put your website.
I do want to thank you for reminding me.
Order here.
Order your brain pills here.
Yeah. And then put your link.
My link up here. Paste. This is super easy. Wasn't there something else we wanted to tell them? Oh, the this information here about the patent.
Yes.
So here's the article. Hempsmart's owned by Marijuana Company of America, which is a publicly traded company
on the stock exchange, and so.
And now we have a very exciting
patent. It just happened. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a new button right here.
I'm trying to get around. Oh, there.
And you're gonna
brain patent
article.
Website again. Boom. And there we go. Now we confirm it. It all looks good. Save.
And now let's just double check that.
Now we're going to preview the card and make sure the links work. So we will come down here and we will preview. There's our logo, our picture that we uploaded and designed.
And when people click any of the icons, it's going to go to her phone, to her email, Facebook
text.
Messenger, text.
Yep.
Okay.
And then order your brain pills here.
Go straight to
check. It should be at the right
1021.
spot.
There you go. Right. So we already know it is.
There we go.
Go straight to the page so people can order right then and there.
Brain patent article. Let's make sure that works too, which it should.
And it says that it does.
And there it is.
There it is.
Awesome.
So you guys, the cool thing about this is that what Cindy can do now is if anybody asks her about these brain products, all she does is she will text it to anybody and she'll be notified every single time somebody views the card. Every time they open it, she's notified. She's notified when the videos are watched, how long people were on the videos, how many times they watched the videos. People can forward her card to somebody that they know who needs it. If they click save my card, all of the information, her Facebook, her phone number, all of that information goes directly into their phone. This system for $10 a month.
It's unbelievable.
I don't know how much longer it's going to be $10 a month. So
it's going to be going back up soon.
It's something that no matter what kind of business that you're in, if you work with people, you need this business. And lastly, you can add a lead capture form to it.
Oh, yes.
So if you are in a business that you want to know specific things about people, you can ask them any types of questions about their health concerns and anything you want to know about them. And as they fill it out, you get notified every single time that you have a new lead capture and you can then follow up with them. This is incredible.
Yes, it is.
It is.
All right.
All right.
Hopefully you will sign up, and if not, then
you're missing out.
That's right.
Okay.